Hello guys, how to fix 0x8004e4f1 OneDrive error code in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Your OneDrive has not been set up having an error code. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is clear OneDrive credential caches. Go to Windows search, type credential manager and open credential manager in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here go to Windows credentials. Scroll down, you will find the option OneDrive cached credential. Click on a small arrow and finally choose remove OneDrive cached credentials. Finally, confirm to permanently delete these generic credentials. Click on yes and check whether your OneDrive error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type OneDrive. Open OneDrive app in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here click on OneDrive icon, choose settings cog. Here from the left pane, go to the account option, click on add an account and finally enter your email address and click on create account. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your OneDrive error codes resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Now reset OneDrive. Press bin plus R shortcut key to open run command box, and in run command windows execute this command. This command path will also available in my video description. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in run command windows. Press OK. It will reset one